Low show. Just pulled up to the main street. It's about like 10 a.m., 10:30.
They're like stock wheels from BMW.
Got the clown shoe.
The dishes in the back are clean.
It's like a one, like if you wanted a 1 Series, but also a wagon. Iconic. Just pulling up in the Rari.
RS3 GT.
Got the R8.
I like the
Ooh. Oh, these are like, there's only like a few of these made.
Yeah, the way the guy was.
This thing's insane. Got the TTRS. Got the rotiforms. This thing is hitting right now. Beautiful. Thing got red flake in it.
Stock wheels. He literally did just straight carbon fiber.
Wow.
That's all you needed to do.
This thing's nice. This thing's clean. OEM too? Love these Recars. This interior smells like the 90s. This color is crazy.
I can't tell if it's a wrap or paint. Yeah, plans. They said
This thing crazy. It has like a green to it. This thing's nuts. Los Santos Customs. This colorway is too clean. This thing's insane, dude. Got the V10 motor in here. Woo.